You can export certain content from your Squarespace site into an XML file. This is useful if you want to export content to WordPress. To get started, ensure your site availability is set to public. Then open the Import and Export Content panel and click Export, and then the WordPress icon. If you're not importing the exported content into a WordPress site, click the icon anyway. The exported file can only be in a WordPress format, but you don't have to import it into WordPress. If you have more than one blog page on your site, a Select Primary Blog message will appear. Only one blog can be exported. Then wait for the export to process. This may take a few minutes, depending on the amount of content on your site. When the export is complete, a download option will appear. Click Download to save the XML file to your computer, or delete the export. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.